Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to download WhatsApp. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So we can download or install WhatsApp in two ways. So first way, open your Play Store and search here WhatsApp, and here you'll find the WhatsApp official application. So you have to click on install and WhatsApp will be downloaded to your phone. And the second way is using browser. So open your browser. Right now I'm using Chrome browser. You can use any browser and search here WhatsApp, download app, APK, and hit enter. And here you will find several websites to get WhatsApp. So I suggest to open this apkpure.com website and now click on download APK and click on this download button. And click on download anyway. So here you can see WhatsApp is started to download. So this was two ways to download WhatsApp. If you think to see more WhatsApp videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.